Hello mga kawamat. We will continue the part 2 of our review for second quarter exam in pre-calculus. So for question number 1, how many solutions does a system has if it has one point of intersection? So ang tinutukoy na system here, of course, we have the topic about the system of nonlinear equations. Okay, so what will be the how many solutions do we have in the system of a nonlinear equation in one point of intersection? So letter A, no solution. B, one solution. C, two solutions. Letter D, infinitely many solutions. So we're going to add the questions, no? We're going to add the questions para hindi kayo malito. Okay. So, inedit lang natin yung question. So, how many solutions does a system of nonlinear equation has if it has one point of intersection? So, of course, if we're going to recall the intersection na nabanggit natin, so the answer is one solution only. So, if we try to check yung yung graph, kapag no solutions, of course, walang intersection na nangyari. So, kapag merong one intersection, ibig sabihin, merong isang solution. If we have two intersections, two solutions ang makuha natin. If we have three solutions ang makuha natin, and so on and so forth. So, here, the correct answer is letter B. Okay? So, letter B. Next, angles in standard positions that have the same terminal side. So in this figure, so this will be the initial side and this is the terminal side. So si 120 degrees at si negative 240 degrees ay parehong nasa standard position with the same terminal side. So ano ibig sabihin nito? This is a coterminal angle. So letter B ang sagot natin dito sa second question. Next, find the first four terms in a sequence a sub n is equal to 3 times the quantity of 4 raised to n minus 1. Since pinapakuha yung first four terms, so what we're going to do is to substitute the number 1, 2, 3, and 4 sa n natin. So let's start with 1. If our n is equal to 1, so that will be 3 times 4. Okay, yung n natin palitan natin ng 1 minus 1. Okay, so that will be 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. And then any number raised to 0 is 1. So the first term is 3. So if we're going to check, only A and B, okay, have the answer of 3. So try natin yung pangalawang term. So n is equal to 2. So yung n, papalitan natin ng 2. 4 raised to 2 minus 1 is equal to 3 times 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 4 raised to 1 is 4. So that is 3 times 4 equals 12. So between A and B na choices natin, so sin letter A lang yung may 12. So kasi yung B 14 na yung kasunod. So ibig sabihin, yung sagot natin dito ay letter A. Pero para ma-check o kaya ma-double check natin, i-continue natin. N is equal to 3. So 3, 4 raised to 3 minus 1, that is 3. 3 minus 1 is 4 squared. And 3 times, what is 4 squared again? That is 16, so that is 48. And for the fourth term, okay, so our n here is 4. So that is 3 times 4, 4 minus 1, equals 3 times 4 cubed. And then 3 times, what is 4 cubed is 64, okay? If we're going to multiply 3 times 64, that is 192. So we can say now, question number 3, the answer is letter A. Next, So the missing terms of the arithmetic series, we have 5 plus 2 minus 1 plus blank minus 10. So first, we're going to check no, yung given series natin. So from 5 naging 2, from 2 naging negative 1. So ilan yung nabawas bago mag 2? So 3. Diba? So if we're going to subtract 2, we're going to subtract. So from 2 minus 3, ang makuha natin ay negative 1. So ibig sabihin, para makuha yung mga susunod na terms, so what we're going to do is to subtract the term sa 3. So first, check natin ha. So 5 minus 3 equals 2. And then 2 minus 3 equals negative 1. So first yung kasunod, negative 1 minus 3 equals negative 4. So ang sagot natin dito ay negative 4. Then, negative 4 minus 3 equals negative 7. So dito ay negative 7. So negative 7 minus 3 equals negative 10. And that is 1. So the answer is negative 4, negative 7. So yung A ay may negative 7, may negative 4, then may negative 7. Pero, dapat dun tayo sa sagot natin na kung ano yung kasunod. Ang first blank kasi dapat dito ay negative 4, hindi negative 7. And then the second blank is negative 7. So therefore, the answer here is letter B again. Okay, so letter B. Next. I think this will be the last question for the part 2. So find the 7 terms of the sequence 1, 2, 6, and 24. So, as you can see class, so i-check natin no, dun sa given na terms. So from 1 naging 2. So ano kayong nangyari? And then from 2 naging 6. So ilan ang ginawa? Minultiply ba? Nag-add ba? Or nag-divide? So in order to get the next term, okay, so try to observe. Okay, in order to get the next term, ay magmumultiply tayo. No? 1 times 2 is equal to 2. Para makuha natin yung 6, magta-times tayo ng 3. Para makuha yung 24, magta-times tayo doon ng 4. So, parang ganun yung pattern. So, check natin ha. So, pinapakuha yung pang 7. So, 1 times 2, okay, equals 2. Ito yung una, no? This will be the first term. Next is 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 times 4 equals 24. Ito yung una. Ito yung pangalawa, pangatlo, pang-apat. And then, 24 times 5. So, what is 24 times 5? That is 120. Okay? So, equals 120. And then, pang ilan yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 120 times, since 5 yun, times 6 na. So, 120 times 6 equals, okay, equals 720. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, isa pa. So, 720 times 7, okay, so 720 times 7. So, what is the answer? The answer is 5,040. So, ito yung pang 7 term. Kasi yung first term natin is 1. Yung pangalawa is 2. Pangatlo is 6. Pang-apat is 24. Pang-lima yung 120. Pang-anim yung 720. At pang-pito yung 5,040. So the answer here is letter C, no? The letter C ang sagot.